Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's lecture on suspended formwork, an important topic in advanced construction techniques. In reinforced concrete construction, formwork plays a vital role in giving the desired shape and support to fresh concrete. When slabs and beams are constructed above the ground, special supporting arrangements are required. This is known as suspended formwork. In this lecture, we will learn the definition, purpose, components, different types, bridge applications, advantages, disadvantages, safety precautions, in comparison with ground-supported formwork. By the end of this session, you will understand where suspended formwork is used and why it is essential in modern construction. Suspended formwork is a temporary mold and support system used for casting concrete slabs, beams, and other horizontal structural members above ground level. Since these members cannot rest directly on the ground, the formwork is supported using props, scaffolding, or falsework. Its main purpose is to hold fresh concrete in the correct position until it gains enough strength to support its own weight. Unlike ground-supported formwork, suspended formwork transfers all construction loads safely through supporting members to the lower structure. It is widely used in multi-story buildings, bridges, flyovers, and elevated structures. The primary objective of suspended formwork is to safely support the combined weight of fresh concrete, steel reinforcement, workers, equipment, and construction materials during concreting. The system must remain stable until the concrete reaches sufficient strength to become self-supporting. One important challenge is that suspended formwork operates at an elevated level. Any failure due to poor design, improper installation, or overloading can cause sudden collapse, leading to serious accidents and property damage. Therefore, proper design, careful erection, regular inspection, and strict safety measures are essential for successful suspended formwork construction. Suspended formwork consists of several important components working together. The decking or sheathing forms the surface that comes into direct contact with fresh concrete. Joists support the decking and transfer loads to the primary beams called stringers. The stringers distribute the loads to the vertical props or shoring, which carry the weight safely to the lower floor or foundation. Finally, bracing connects the supporting members and prevents sideways movement, increasing the stability and safety of the entire formwork system. Each component is essential for safe construction. Several types of suspended formwork are used depending on the project. Timber formwork is economical and suitable for small projects, but requires more labor. Steel formwork is strong, durable, and can be reused many times. Aluminum formwork is lightweight, easy to handle, and speeds up construction. Modular panel formwork consists of prefabricated panels that allow quick assembly and uniform quality. Table or flying formwork uses large pre-assembled units that can be moved using cranes, making it ideal for high-rise buildings with repetitive floor layouts. Suspended formwork is widely used in bridge construction, especially when traffic or rivers exist below the bridge. Since the ground cannot be blocked, the formwork is suspended above the surface, allowing normal movement underneath. The construction process usually begins with installing vertical falsework, followed by steel trusses. Beam forms and girder forms are then erected before placing reinforcement and concrete. When steel framing members are closely spaced, they provide strong support for casting bridge decks and beams safely. This method is commonly adopted for cast-in-situ bridge construction. Suspended formwork offers many advantages. It is suitable for constructing elevated slabs and beams with high accuracy. It provides good dimensional control and produces a smooth concrete surface finish. Many components are reusable, reducing overall construction cost in repeated projects. Modern modular systems speed up construction and improve productivity. The formwork also provides a safe working platform for laborers during reinforcement placement and concreting. Because of these advantages, suspended formwork is extensively used in high-rise buildings, commercial complexes, bridges, and other modern infrastructure projects. Although suspended formwork has many benefits, it also has some limitations. Its initial investment is relatively high due to specialized materials and supporting systems. Installation requires skilled workers and experienced supervision. Improper erection or poor maintenance may lead to structural instability or collapse. Regular inspection is necessary throughout construction to ensure safety. For large projects, cranes or lifting equipment may be needed to move heavy formwork panels, increasing project cost. Therefore, proper planning and quality control are essential for successful implementation. Safety is the most important aspect of suspended formwork. Always ensure proper bracing to prevent lateral movement. Check that props are vertical, correctly spaced, and capable of carrying the required load. Inspect all bolts, clamps, and connections before concreting. Avoid placing excessive loads on the formwork. Workers must wear personal protective equipment such as helmets, safety shoes, gloves, and safety harnesses. Never remove formwork before the concrete reaches the required strength. Finally, all construction activities should comply with relevant standards, such as IS 456 and approved safety practices. Let us compare the two systems. Ground-supported formwork rests directly on the ground and is mainly used for foundations and ground slabs. Suspended formwork is supported above ground using props and falsework, and is mainly used for elevated slabs and beams. Ground-supported systems are simpler and less expensive. Suspended formwork is more complex but highly suitable for multi-story buildings. Ground-supported formwork has limited reuse, whereas modular suspended systems can be reused many times, improving construction efficiency and reducing long-term costs. To conclude, suspended formwork is an essential temporary support system used for constructing elevated concrete members safely and accurately. Its proper design, installation, and maintenance ensure quality construction and worker safety. Modern systems such as aluminum and modular formwork have significantly improved construction speed and efficiency in today's infrastructure projects. Thank you.